So today we are going to be making some shawarma sausages for breakfast, and to accomplish that we're going to use an onion, some garlic, some bell peppers, the red and the green for flavor, and of course to add color. And to begin with, we are going to begin by, you can see the shawarma sausages. We're going to begin by cutting them into small pieces. So this is how I'm going to chop them off. Ideally, I'll go for an oblong shape.
Mom.
Yes, for the
hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Yeah. No. Not hide and seek. It's like hide and seek. You see that drum? Drum. Yes.
As you guys can see, I've just finished chopping off the shawarma sausages. They look as such. Meantime, my pan is heating on that side. What I'm going to do is I will add butter and saute the sausages for a good 2 to 3 minutes before we proceed into the next step. So we're going to add butter. This just gives it additional good taste.
Newborns, please come. Mom.
Okay. Looks kind of golden. It's really good. I'm making
Mom. What do you do?
We have to keep turning so that we make sure all sides are evenly cooking.
Mom.
Yes.
Can you see that, Mom?
You guys can see our stir fry is coming up really well. Our sausages have actually begun browning, which is a good thing. And as they saute, I took the opportunity to cut up the greens. And as you can see, these are our greens, the bell peppers, the garlic, and the onion. We'll also be adding soy sauce. But in the meantime, let me first remove the sausages from the pan. You can see they're browning really well. So now guys, I've just removed the sausages from the pan. Time to add the rest of the ingredients. I will begin with the onions, and to add on to the pan, I'll still use the same pan. It's very much okay since it just cooked the sausages. Yeah, so we shall use vegetable oil this time around and not the butter. So we'll add vegetable oil, enough. And then we'll put the onions first. They're quite big chunks, and this is by design. However, you can cut them as you please. We'll also be adding the garlic. bell peppers. It looks so delicious. It looks really nice. We're going to give them a good couple of minutes to saute and cook, but of course still maintaining the crunchy taste of these green vegetables. And guys, it's called a stir fry because you have to keep stirring as it cooks. You can see our onions are beginning to brown. They're looking really nice, and the aroma is equally good. We need to let them cook for another few minutes before we add in our sausages. At this point, guys, you can see our vegetables are just about ready. The onions are a good golden brown color, and our bell peppers are also ready. Of course, I had to maintain a little crunchiness to them just to give it an edge. So at this point, we're going to add our sausages. And with the sausages in, we'll mix them together so that they can absorb the flavor and saute for a couple of minutes. The next thing I'm going to add into the sausages is the soy sauce. And this will just help in giving it additional flavor. You can choose to add black pepper, but because this meal is kid friendly, we're going to skip that part. You can see it's browning pretty well. And the aroma is really nice. My sausages look about ready now. Guys, they look so awesome, and as I can tell, the taste is equally good. So as I continue to saute and get ready, I've put my milk on that side for tea, and then we'll be ready to have breakfast. So guys, this is one small serving. The rest are still on the pan, and we are good to go. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. I will see you all in the next video.